Right, so here we go with CCEA, A2 Physics, Unit 2, Fields, Capacitors and Particle Physics for June of 2018. Let's get started. Question 5. Quality of written communication will be assessed in this question, part A2. A then. Figure 5.1 is a simplified diagram of a national grid, and T1 and T2 are transformers. What type of transformers are T1 and T2? So this is straight bookwork from your notes. T1 at the power station is stepping up and T2 is stepping down. Describe how a transformer is constructed. So remember, you've got two coils, a primary and a secondary, and they're linked through a laminated soft iron core. So you've got your iron core, and then you've got your primary coils, and then you've got your secondary coils, and they're linked by this laminated soft iron core. Part 2. Explain how transformer T2 works in order to produce an appropriate output voltage to our homes. And remember, this is the bit they say you're going to be having your written communication assessed on. So construction of T2 would require there to be more coils on the primary and fewer on the secondary in order to step down. So a high voltage AC input is applied to the primary coil. This produces an alternating magnetic flux, and that's transmitted to the secondary windings via the iron core. The alternating flux of the secondary produces an alternating EMF at the output of that coil. The output will have a lower voltage because it has to be a step down. Part B. Explain why high voltage transmission lines are necessary for energy to be transmitted across the country efficiently. So this is all to do with power. So the power you would waste when you send energy to a town, some of that energy will be wasted as heat in the transmission lines, and that's going to be proportional to I squared, because the current in the transmission lines is where the energy is being dissipated. So if you could reduce current, then you should waste less energy. And so the idea is that you can send the same amount of power with a higher voltage and lower current. So stepping up allows us to send the same amount of power but with higher voltage and lower current, and that reduces the waste. Okay, thanks for watching.